Hey guys, it's Matt from Worship Bass Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at Real Love by Hillsong Young and Free on synth bass. Alright guys, for Real Love, what we're going to do is actually we're only going to use the one oscillator, and we're not going to use any sub-oscillator, we're not going to use oscillator 2, and we're not going to have the noise generator on. You want to make sure the oscillator is set to square wave. You want to make sure your wave, filter, and pitch amount are down because we're not going to be using any of the modulation. The one thing you will want to do, let's take our glide rate and turn it up to about 5. What the glide rate does, it also can be called portamento, and what that does is it makes it to where when you play one note right after the other, the note will actually slide up. So if I play them individually, you hear 2 notes. But if I play one and if I play one note and play the other one legato, what's going to happen is you're going to hear it slide up like this. So that actually plays a big part in this song here. We're also going to make sure our octave is set to -1. And let's open up this filter all the way. Let's turn the drive down. We don't want any resonance. Keep this at 0, this at 0 here. Let's make sure our sustain's all the way up and our release, decay, and attack are down. And since this is at 0, none of these are going to be coming into play. So let's see what that sounds like when it's wide open. Okay, that sounds about right. Let's try to play this a little bit. Cool. All right, now that we've been over all the tone, let's go ahead and give this thing a run through.
Staring into your eyes makes my heart come alive. Suddenly brought to life when I met you. 1, 2, 3, jump!